Hi Barbara, this is to show you how to use the Club Express account. So we're going to go to, if I just put in Cody, it comes right up, but notice that it's codyclubexpress.com, and you hit, as soon as I hit member login, it recognizes who I am and it wants money. This is a pretend payment, just so you know. This is like the IT admin account. So then I'm going to go to the control panel up here. Our goal here is to update the member account with any new information, like a new email address or a new address, and then record their payment. Okay, so I'm going to go to the control panel, and this has a bunch of different tabs here, but we want to go to People, and we'll go to the very first one, Member Manager. And the first thing we want to do is search and find somebody, okay? Now, I don't have any checks that I haven't recorded yet, but let's just pretend. Let's look at one for, let's see, M-I-S-E-R-O-Y. So I'm going to search for the last name, Miseroy, and the search is down here. If you had a new member, it would be over here to add a member. So then the member comes up here. We've got John and Sue, and you can see that John is the primary member, Sue is the secondary member. Okay, so two people in one account. And this black ball right here means that they're all renewed. Okay, that it's all taken care of. If it was red, then that would mean that a payment was due. So I'm going to check on this one. And it's moving it up to next year because it thinks we got another membership payment. And in here you can check for whatever kind of member that you want. Okay, we don't sell life members anymore, but we've got these other ones. Okay, most people get an individual or a family. So this guy's a supporter. And there's his member number. We don't care. John, I frequently add a middle initial here if it comes on the check. There's their mailing name. Here's their address in Tampa. Okay, and next is their occupation. Frequently you've got to put this in because somehow this data didn't transfer in the system, and just about everybody's retired, so I use it almost as a default. And there's Sue Miseroy for the secondary member. Let's open her up here. There's her name. We don't do it. Don't worry about the salutations. And then when you click here, all the information from the main members, the primary members account, just pulls in. Okay, so we'll save that. And next. Okay, so this is everything, and there's the amount of the payment and everything. Finish and proceed to payment. Okay, so now it wants to know, it comes up with a membership renewal, okay, for $100. The payment method, most people will be paying you, they'll be paying you in a check. You put the check number in here, and then click to record the payment. Okay, so now I've got to get out of here without having trouble. Uh-oh, let's see. See if I can cancel it. Uh-oh. I'll just say that they're okay. I think we're okay. Yeah. All right. So that's how to record a payment. Now the next thing is to record the cash receipts for the day. Like after you've got all the payments in and it's going to go into the bank, then we want to record the total of the cash receipts. So we're going to go back to the control panel. You can get it here or here. And we want to go to the Money tab, and we're going to report, let's see, payments. So we've got user payments, user payment transactions, Club Express transactions. Payments and credits. And you hit this blue button right here that takes you to 15 different reports. Now we want payments by name. Okay. Yeah, payments with transactions by name. And then select the period. I'm going to select specific dates, and I want to do it for today. So this is March 24th, to March 24th. Okay, and I just left it as a PDF. You know what? I should have done a different. There won't be anything on here. Okay, yeah, they're not here. That was kind of dumb. Let's see. How about if I do another one? Let's do user payments by date. And I think I have some from yesterday for the 23rd. And run the report. And you can't really goof anything up here, so don't worry about it. Yeah, these are my transactions. So there is reference number. I don't know what the reference number is, but these are payments that were made, that were deposited actually on Tuesday, March 24th. And there's the amount charged, amount paid. Okay, and then when it's all done, at the very end, I believe there's a total. This was a lot of checks. Took me a long time. Wow. Goes on and on, huh? But this is just this season. I mean, you'll have months with no money at all. Boy, that's a lot. Oh, 321. I didn't realize it was that long. But okay, payments. Okay, so this was $8,990. 131 payments in here. Something tells me they weren't all checks. But that's what it is. I don't think this is what I have. But in any event, this would be the number of payments. I only had 25 payments. Maybe I didn't put an ending date in there or something. But it was good, you know. And then you can take that total and tie it out to the deposit at the bank. Okay, that's what I've got.